Welcome to our show. I'm Hadley.
And I'm Harper.
Let's make some caramel apple bark.
What?
Let's get started.
Let's get started!
First, melt 2 cups of chocolate.
I'll do that.
Pour the chocolate on the parchment paper.
Yes. Okay.
Spread it out into a rectangle.
Good job.
Take some pencil sticks and put them on the square. Can I say?
Put some on.
Can I say? It's okay if you eat some.
If you want to.
Okay. Can I say it?
Say it.
Say it.
It's okay if you eat some.
Next, cut up an apple.
Sprinkle the apples on the pencils.
Now you need to melt your caramel.
Dribble on the caramel all over it.
Chill to 2 to 3 hours.
2,000 years later.
Let's eat it. Comment down below.
What do you want us to bake next time? Like and subscribe.
That's okay. You can still eat it. Take a bite.
This is good.
What do you think? What do you think?
Next
It's
time,
good for my teeth.
Say, we'll see you next time.
see you next time. If you want to bake it, you just have to use our ingredients.
Good job.
Bye everyone. Have a good day. Don't eat too much sweets though.